Earlier this year, HHS changed the vaccination schedule from one that had many more vaccines recommended routinely to a schedule that actually mirrors somewhat the schedule of Denmark. And it caused a good bit of confusion. Why were certain vaccines moved from being routinely recommended to being recommended in a way that's called shared clinical decision-making? I think we also saw some confusion about how coverage and access were going to happen. So the change in recommendation status sometimes changes the way that parents can get coverage by insurers of their vaccines. We want people to understand vaccines really fit very powerfully in that overall economic and personal health security. So how can we help people make sure they have full access? The recommendations, the providers, the insurers all partner together to make sure people can get any vaccine that's recommended for them where they can. That's one of the most important things we can do to build strength and immunize as many people as possible.